How long does Monzo approval take? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. How long does it take to get approved for a Monzo account? I know that when you're applying for a new bank account, you want to know as soon as possible whether or not you've been approved. So, I'm going to give you the answer to that question, as well as some other important information about the Monzo approval process. Body. Before I get into the specifics, I want to give you a quick overview of Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including current accounts, overdrafts, and savings accounts. Monzo is known for its innovative features, such as its budgeting tool and its ability to track your spending in real time. Now, let's get to the question that you're all here for. How long does it take to get approved for a Monzo account? The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including your eligibility. Monzo is only available to UK residents who are 18 years old or older. If you don't meet these requirements, you won't be approved for an account. The type of account you're applying for. Monzo offers two types of accounts, personal and business. The approval process for a personal account is generally faster than the approval process for a business account. The amount of information you provide, the more information you provide about yourself and your financial history, the faster your application will be processed. How busy Monzo is. If there are a lot of other people applying for accounts at the same time, it may take longer for your application to be processed. In general, it takes Monzo 1 to 3 business days to approve a new account. However, it could take up to 5 business days in some cases. If you're impatient to find out whether or not you've been approved, you can check the status of your application online. Simply log into your Monzo account and click on the Applications tab. Once you've been approved for a Monzo account, you'll need to wait a few days for your card to arrive in the mail. Once you receive your card, you can start using your Monzo account. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about the Monzo approval process, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'd also love to hear your thoughts on the Monzo approval process. Have you had any experience with Monzo? If so, how long did it take for you to get approved? Please leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks again for watching.